Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore the important topic of written communication skills. In our digital age, written communication plays a vital role in conveying messages effectively and professionally. So, let's dive in and discover how to master this essential skill. Written communication is the art of expressing thoughts, ideas, and information using written words. It encompasses various forms such as emails, reports, memos, and even social media posts. Developing strong written communication skills can greatly enhance your ability to communicate clearly and efficiently. Let's take a look at positive and negative examples of written communication. Positive communication is characterized by clarity, coherence, and conciseness. It utilizes proper grammar, punctuation, and organization. In contrast, negative communication can be confusing, vague, and filled with errors, leading to misinterpretations and misunderstandings. So, how can we improve our written communication skills? Here are some strategies to help you excel. Firstly, understand your audience. Tailor your writing style, tone, and level of formality based on who will be reading your message. Consider their background, knowledge, and expectations. Secondly, be clear and concise. Use simple language, avoid unnecessary jargon, and get straight to the point. Make sure your message is easily understandable and free from ambiguity. Thirdly, pay attention to grammar and spelling. Proofread your writing to catch any errors, and use spell check tools if available. Proper grammar and spelling enhance your credibility and professionalism. Fourthly, structure your writing effectively. Use paragraphs, headings, and bullet points to organize your thoughts and make your content visually appealing. This helps readers navigate your message smoothly. Lastly, practice empathy and professionalism. Be respectful, considerate, and diplomatic in your writing. Avoid using offensive or inflammatory language, and maintain a positive and professional tone. Honing your written communication skills can have a significant impact. Whether it's a persuasive email, a comprehensive report, or a concise social media post, effective written communication can help you convey your message with clarity and precision. So, whether you are communicating with colleagues, clients, or friends, remember the power of well-crafted written communication. It takes practice, but the benefits are worth it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips valuable. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep refining your written communication skills. Take care.